My name is Alma Adams, and I'm a crossing guard at Tyler Avenue and Woods in Annapolis. Today I'm shooting a commercial for Arundel Medical Center Orthopedics. I love doing this because of the kids. As long as you're there with a smile on your face and show that you really care, the kids is going to eat you up. The pain that I had, it was in my knee. And when I went to Dr. King, he x-rayed the knee. But then when he didn't really see the pain that I was talking about, that's when he went to the hips. And he saw the problems that I was having in the hips. I had cancer of the skin, blood, and bone. And I was given steroids. And that's what brought on my hip problems. The problems that I had, it was I didn't want to walk. It was so bad that you couldn't even sleep at night. If anyone needs a hip replacement or a knee replacement, you should go to Arundel Medical Center